Ocean acidification is global warming's ugly twin. The carbon dioxide concentrations of the atmosphere and the ocean are linked by the dynamic equilibrium maintained by every square meter of surface area they share. A portion of the carbon dioxide we put in the atmosphere enters the ocean and reacts with water to form acid, which harms a wide variety of sea life, including shells and corals, which have difficulty forming their hard exterior surfaces in the more acidic water. The Naval Research Lab has invented seawater carbon dioxide recovery technology. Dr. Heather Willauer and her team at the lab were asked to develop a way for nuclear aircraft carriers to produce the fuel they need for their aircraft while at sea from chemicals available in seawater. They are developing a two-step process: capture carbon dioxide and hydrogen from seawater, and then convert them into fuel. Their final step, producing the fuel, is still in the experimental stage, but their first step, capturing carbon dioxide and hydrogen from seawater, has been tested and patented, and it appears to be a game changer. Their process to capture carbon dioxide and hydrogen from seawater, in an ideal ratio for fuel production, is elegant engineering applied to the well-known process of splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen. Water splitting is usually done with a pair of energized electrodes in a closed container or cell of salty water. Hydrogen gas forms at one electrode and oxygen gas forms at the other. Instead of using a closed cell, Dr. Willauer's team at the Naval Research Lab flows seawater through the cell to provide a continuous source of carbon dioxide. As seawater flows through, positive hydrogen ions are concentrated in the center of the cell by membranes which control the movement of ions. This creates very acidic conditions in the center of the cell, and the opposite, very alkaline conditions in the flow on the other side of the membranes. The more acidic water cannot hold the same amount of carbon dioxide, and it bubbles out like carbonation from a soda pop bottle when it's opened, in the gas collector downstream from the cell. The hydrogen is pumped through the gas collector, where it helps pull the carbon dioxide through the filter that separates it from the seawater, pre-mixing the raw materials for the electrofuels process downstream. The Navy has patented this technology, which makes the U.S. government the holder of the patent that appears to fundamentally alter our relationship with carbon dioxide. It is ours, and we need to follow the example set by Elon Musk of Tesla Motors. In June of 2014, he open-sourced all of Tesla's patents, inviting companies around the world to develop, use, and profit from Tesla's patents without paying royalties. He said, "We believe that Tesla, other companies making electric cars, and the world would all benefit from a common, rapidly evolving technology platform. President Obama should declare that the vital interests of the United States and the vital interests of every child alive today would all benefit from a common, rapidly evolving technology platform to collect carbon dioxide from the ocean, to feed emergent carbon-negative industries. The President should direct the Secretary of the Navy to create a program to facilitate the widest possible worldwide adoption of this technology.